She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
My daughter gonna love this chip. All my diamonds shine, look, they really diamond.
Hi, big girl. Oh, big...
Oh shit.
He's sitting, standing, and laying down all at the same time.
Ow!